you are in any way creative and have not checked out the incredible opportunity that is merch by Amazon, then my advice to you would be to stop whatever it is you're doing now and spend the next half hour or so watching this class, which is specifically aimed at non-graphic designers who would like to supplement their online income by designing t-shirts for sale on Amazon. Hello, my name is David James Alt, and I am really excited to introduce you to this, the first class in my new Merch by Amazon series called T-shirt Design for Non-Designers. This class begins by taking a look at the best practices when creating t-shirt designs for sale on Amazon, including the recommended guidelines suggested by Amazon themselves, as well as the technical parameters necessary to ensure a quality t-shirt design. The class then looks at how to correctly use the Merch by Amazon template, before taking a look at how you can create your own customized template for those of you who do not work within Photoshop, Illustrator or GIMP and thus cannot use the aforementioned template, or indeed for those of you that feel the Merch by Amazon template is perhaps a little bit too crowded and complicated. Finally, the class looks at the different types of designs that sell well on Amazon, and the good news here is that for the most part these seem to be simple designs that non-designers, that is to say those creatives amongst you who are not graphic designers and do not have any formal training in graphic design, are more than capable of creating. So why not join me in this class today and discover how easy it is for us non-designers to create the type of t-shirt designs that sell well and make a great new side income through Merch by Amazon.